Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Blender on Windows 7, 8, and 10. Type Blender download in browser search bar. Click download. Click download Blender. Open downloaded file. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.